Hey everyone, get ready to level up your haircut game because Coach Kimmy is going live on YouTube with a pattern that's gonna blow your mind. We're talking Jacqueline Smith haircut, Farrah Fawcett haircut with a sprinkle of Mary Osmond vibes all in one. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get your scissors ready because on April 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are going to revolutionize the way you look at haircuts. Whether you're a fan of classic styles or looking to step out of your comfort zone, this live class with Coach Kimmy is the place to be. Imagine the perfect blend of iconic haircuts from some of the most legendary figures in Hollywood, all coming together to create a masterpiece that is uniquely you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn, laugh, and unleash your inner hairstyling champ. Coach Kimmy is not just a stylist, she's a master of her craft, and she's here to share her secrets with you. So grab your favorite snacks, invite your friends, and get ready for a hair masterclass like never before. See you all on April 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel at Coach Kimmy to watch this masterclass live for free.